Hi everyone, I'm Sharon, and today we're going over the new and exciting enhancements to everyone's favorite intelligent automation platform. But new features aren't the only changes that are coming. The platform that was formerly known as Enterprise A2019 is getting a new name. Introducing Automation 360. This is still the same cloud-native, web-based, intelligent automation platform built to help you automate more faster. With Automation 360, we continue to transform the employee and customer experience through the world's only platform for end-to-end automation and human-bot collaboration. Now, let's go over the latest release of Automation 360. In v.19, we're excited to announce a new Cloud Preview Sandbox for Automation 360 customers, enhanced process documentation capabilities in Discovery Bot, and new tasks and element features in AARI. With Automation 360, we're giving customers the ability to plan, test, and develop ahead of each release with the Cloud Preview Sandbox. The Cloud Preview Sandbox is an add-on control room that allows you to get a preview of what's next in upcoming releases. With the Sandbox, you can experience new features and fixes that come with each release ahead of time, sanity test your bots to ensure they work properly, and be proactive with your automation strategy. In this release of Automation 360.19, we're adding new RPA capabilities, such as a new diagnostic utility that checks for and resolves any bot agent connectivity issues with the control room, and a new capability that allows bot creators to sort their data table by string, number, boolean, and date. And next up is Discovery Bot. For this update, we've put an emphasis on improving Discovery Bot's process documentation capabilities. In the latest release, we're giving users the ability to capture more user actions in a more comprehensive way to analyze their recordings. We've increased the display size of screenshot captures to full screen and reduced the amount of display time taken for each step in the process. Users can now unlock user actions such as drag and drop, double click, text selection, and click and hold when using the recorder. And finally, AARI. In the latest release, we've introduced new features such as a new filter task in the process editor that allows you to filter variables such as human or bot task output with a specific filter criterion. A new process task in the process editor that allows you to chain workflows together across departments. This allows multiple teams to work on tasks within the same process at the same time without any conflicts. And last but not least, new form builder elements that allow you to upload a folder and include hyperlinks in the form itself. And that's all for this release of Automation 360.19. If you'd like to try our Automation 360 with no hassle or commitment, please sign up for a free 30-day trial today by using the link below. To learn more about the Cloud Preview Sandbox, reach out to your CSM or account representative, or even read our FAQ by using the link in our description.